Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a poll on WhatsApp. So all you need to do is go to your WhatsApp and go to the specific chat that you want to create a poll. Now you just need to tap this clip icon right there and you'll find all the options right here. And then you can find that poll at the bottom of these option. And then if you tap that one, you can now create your own poll. So, for example, I want to ask which brand or cell phone brand are you using now? So, I'll put that cell phone right there. Which cell phone brand are you using now? And then here you can find options. You can add some choices right here. For example, I'll put Samsung. I'll put right here iPhone. I can add right here Xiaomi or Huawei. So with this, you can also allow multiple answers here. So you just toggle it on. And then once you've done, you can now tap this paper plane icon right here at the bottom right. And then if they answer this poll, as you can see, for example, and then you can tap this view votes, then you will find all the votes on this poll. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.